भाई आ गए
आ गए 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 भाई आ गए
अरे कहाँ आ गए
कहाँ आ गए
मैं बताता हूँ. Namaste everyone. Welcome to this presentation by Awaaz the Nukkad Natak Group. Today we bring you a story that questions our thinking. It is about those people who might have found their identities but are still struggling to find their rights in society. How? Let us find out.
माँ का लाडला बिगड़ गया माँ का लाडला बिगड़ गया माँ का लाडला बिगड़ गया माँ का लाडला बिगड़ गया.
All right, team. Where are you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, team, I have a great news for all of you,
Oh.
and that is we have a new project on board. Clap, 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 clap.
Stop, stop, stop.
Yeah. And there is one more interesting news.
Mhm.
Our team is going to grow bigger. Bigger. So, we have a new team member joining us and going to work with us in this project, and she is Alisha.
Hi everyone. Hello. Nice to meet you. Hi.
Namaste. Welcome to the team.
Oh.
Yeah. Isn't she the new woman
Yeah, man.
who's a little bit different?
Yeah, she's the one who is different. I don't know how come these HR people are hiring such kind of people in the team.
Steve,
Yeah.
क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? Please maintain some silence.
Yeah.
What are you whispering? Tell me.
Nothing.
कुछ नहीं सर, कल के मैच की बात चली.
Yeah.
अरे प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात करो यार.
हम प्रोजेक्ट
Yeah.
रिपोर्ट के बारे में.
Yeah.
So, if you have any issues, please speak up. Share with me. Agar, of course, those issues will be solved by you only at the end of the day. And one more thing. अरे मैच का टाइम हो गया.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
I have to leave early. So you guys carry on, okay? Bye.
Can you believe it? Now we will have to work with someone like her.
Yeah, man. I can't tolerate such kind of people in the team.
अरे यार, कंपनी को क्या हो गया? Then aren't there any better candidates? That they
Yeah.
had to hire them. I just hope that she and her gang won't end up filling the office with rainbow-colored flags.
What do you think you're doing? Do you think it's funny?
No, nothing.
No,
We were
nothing.
just talking about yesterday's yesterday's report.
Yeah.
Yesterday's report. What small talk? That isn't small talk. That's discrimination. Okay?
Yeah.
You're making fun of someone's identity.
It is just friends having a small talk together. दोस्तों के बीच में तो हंसी मजाक चलता है यार.
That is not how. So she's our team member. Okay? She's a human being, and you're making fun of her. She's a human being, and she deserves respect.
आपने बोला कि दोस्तों में जो
Sorry.
मजाक होता रहता है. अच्छा, जैसे मैच ने कल आपका स्टैंड अप में मजाक बनाया था.
ये तो तेरा ही मजाक उड़ा रही है भाई.
Yeah.
Ah, Rahul, heard that your girlfriend ghosted you last month. Is that true?
This is very personal. And in front of a new person in office, it's very offensive. You should not be saying this.
We were just joking. दोस्तों के बीच में ऐसा मजाक तो होता रहता है.
क्या हुआ? You got the taste of your own medicine. We did it to make you realize how it feels to feel hurt. You know, this is our society's responsibility to respect everyone's identity. If
Sorry.
we continue this behavior, we cannot make a comfortable, safe space for others.
You're right, Sia. I think we need to think before we speak. Sorry.
Sorry, I should also not be.
Accepting your mistakes doesn't make you small. And in fact, sticking to it and learning from it is what truly matters.
चलो, ये सब छोड़ो. कैफेटेरिया जाके चाय पकौड़े खाने चलते हैं.
When they say it's a joke, are they defending the humor, or else they're trying to escape the accountable for being hurtful?
If a queer individual has to perform excellently at work just to be respected as a human being, is our workplace truly inclusive?
Respecting someone's pronouns and recognizing their gender identities is not a special favor. It's a basic human decency.
Basic human decency, basic human decency.
We are invalidating someone else's reality when we are dismissing our hurtful comments as just a joke.
Just a joke.
Just
Just a joke.
Confusion ही confusion है,
Solution का पता नहीं. Solution तो मेरा वो साला question क्या था पता नहीं.
Hey, bro.
Hey, bro.
How are you?
Fine. How are you, man?
Good. You're rocking it, man. Huh?
Thank you, man.
So what's up?
Yeah, by the way, where is Arjun, by the way?
You mean that weird guy?
Yeah, the weird guy. What do we call him actually? He? Oh, no, wait a minute. She? No, he has got more updates than iOS, okay? No, what do we call him next week, you know? Your Majesty.
You're right, bro. You know, I call Arjun here to be safe. By the way, ये gender क्यों बदलता रहता है यार? Gender, pronouns, क्या बकवास चल रहा है इसकी?
No, what happened?
You change your password every 30 days and you remember it perfectly fine. Can't you just remember a single monosyllabic pronoun of your colleague?
Relax, Priya, relax. We were just talking, you know. Your gender, your pronouns, क्यों ऐसा? What
काश
do you
तुम
mean?
ये सवाल खुद से पूछ लेते हो.
What do you mean, Priya?
Arjun is a trans man. He was assigned as female at birth. He now identifies and lives as a man. He even changed his name in Teams, Zoom, HRMS. It just took him 5 minutes and it's taking you 3 months to process it.
No, Priya, nothing like that. I mean, look at his voice, it's still. No.
Exactly. That same voice that got us our biggest client last month. If you can respect that client that makes you work on weekends, why can't you just respect your colleague that clarifies their pronouns?
It's up, Priya, but we were just discussing friendly, you know.
Hey Rohit, I
Yeah,
think
so-
you have some problem with my version.
Yeah, nothing like that, Arjun.
Hey, if you have, it's very simple. If you have problem with my version, just say it and move on. You don't have to make a 3 minutes scene over here, 3 minutes lecture for it.
Yeah,
You know,
sure.
इससे पेट्रोल का प्राइस थोड़ी बढ़ जाता है.
That's up.
By the way, where is my file?
The file, okay. He has it.
You saw? ही बोलना कितना आसान है.
Why do we find
Sorry,
it so easy to adapt to new corporate jargon, software changes, and even new client names, but struggle so difficult, so bad to adapt to a colleague's new pronouns?
Ignoring someone's correct pronouns, is it just a small mistake or is it a subtle way to deny their right to exist comfortably with others?
Allyship isn't about being perfect. It's about standing up when it matters.
Standing up when it matters, standing up when it matters.
If you make a mistake, correct yourself, apologize, and move on. Don't make it a spectacle. Make it a learning moment.
Make it a learning moment. Make it a learning moment.
मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ? मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ?
मैं
ऐसा क्यों हूँ?
मैं
ऐसा क्यों
हूँ? Maya, my bestie, I found you.
Hey, Maya, where have you been? We've been looking for you all along.
Hi guys, what's up? Is it about that U3 report?
Hey, work can wait. We just saw on Instagram that you attended the Pride Parade this weekend.
Yeah.
We just wanted to say, we see you, we
Yeah.
validate you. You're such a brave person for doing this.
Thank you guys, but it was just a fun parade with my friends.
Hey, don't just downplay. It's so adventurous, yaar.
It's a revolution. Everyone should be doing that. And you know what? My cousin Rohan, he's gay and I will introduce you to. You guys would totally vibe.
Look, Kabir, I am a lesbian, but that doesn't mean that both of us being queer automatically means that we'll have something in common, right?
Right. So we have a diversity panel next week and we wanted you to be the keynote speaker.
Yeah.
We want you to go represent the whole community and be our voice.
Guys, stop. Please.
What? We're just trying to be an ally. And we're supporting you, yaar. You don't understand.
Look, you're not being supportive. You're putting me on a pedestal. Look, I'm glad that you guys are trying to be accepting, but I am just an accountant here. I want to be known for my financial models, not become the company mascot for diversity.
But we were just trying to make you feel seen. Trying to include you in.
Look, I feel welcome when you treat me like everybody else. Ask me about my weekend. Ask me about my work. Allyship isn't about throwing a parade for me in the cafeteria. It's about normalizing my existence.
We overdid it, yaar. We did it as a big spectacle.
Yeah, you did overdo it a bit, but look, the important thing is that we have to be kind. That's all.
Yeah, we should all be more kind. Speaking of kindness, can you help us with that Q3 report?
Now that is something worth talking about. Let's go.
When we showcase queer employees only during Pride Month, are we just really genuinely practicing inclusion, or else are we just using them as a marketing tokens?
How do we strike a balance between being a supportive ally and giving your colleagues the space to exist as professionals without any labels?
Sometimes the hurdle isn't outright hatred or cruel jokes.
Real jokes.
Real jokes.
Sometimes the hurdle is well-intentioned people who try so hard to be supportive that they end up isolating them instead.
Isolating them instead.
Isolating them
instead.
इधर चला मैं उधर चला, जाने कहाँ मैं किधर चला, अरे चल गया.
Hey, Rahul.
Hey Vikram,
How are you? How are you?
Fine, fine. How are you, man?
Yeah, good. So what's up?
Nothing
What's
much,
wrong?
man.
Hey, your wallpaper looks nice. Oh, who is this?
Yeah, it's my new partner Salman. Okay.
Oh, nice. Okay, you both looking good. Where is this pic taken, by the way?
Yeah, it's in Amazon.
Oh, wow.
Wait, so you weren't you dating Smita a few months back? We even met her. हम तो भाभी जी भी बुलाने लगे थे.
Yeah, Anita, but we eventually broke up.
So you are not interested into females because you had a breakup and now you're into males?
Anita.
Look, Anita, I'm bisexual, okay?
बाइसाइकिल मालूम है, बाइसेक्सुअल क्या होता है?
Look, Anita, a bisexual means a person who can be attracted to more than one gender.
Yeah. And let me ask you one question, Anita. I think you are left-handed, right?
Yeah,
Do you also use your right hand?
I mean, of course.
Yeah, it's just like that. Being a left-handed doesn't stop you from using your right hand, right? Similarly, as a bisexual, he can get attracted to both genders.
I mean, I don't believe this man. What if tomorrow he comes and he says he's interested in females and wants to marry a woman? ये सब क्या धंधा चल रहा है? I mean, what is all this business?
Look, Anita, it's none of your business, okay? And my gender identity and sexual orientation is something deeply related to me, okay? And I'm happy the way I pursue my feelings like this. Thank you.
You didn't understand anything, did you?
I mean, it's so confusing, yaar. By the way, do you think he got hurt because of what I said?
No, he'll feel so happy. Come on, yeah, he'll of course feel sad. Look, Anita, inclusive company policies do not make any difference. What really matters is inclusive mindset. As a fellow colleague, the bare minimum you can do is respect your fellow colleagues' gender identity and sexual orientation. That is the least you can do. I mean, we all can be like that. Let us become a better humans.
Is true inclusion achieved by just changing the form on it, text on a form, while our backstage gossip remains this exclusionary?
Why need to microanalyze, validate colleagues' personal life when the professional life is completely clear?
We spend half of our vague lives behind these glass walls, behind these laptop screens. We talk about key performance indicators, delivery metrics, and global standards.
But the highest standard that we can achieve is basic human empathy.
Speaking and just a joke doesn't make you edgy. It just shows ignorance.
True allyship is not loud or performative. It is quiet, respectful, and continuous.
We don't want to be tolerated, and neither do we want to be celebrated as trophies.
We want to work, grow, and thrive in a space that respects our identity.
ना कोई छोटा
ना कोई बड़ा, काम से होती है पहचान. Inclusion सिर्फ पन्नों पर नहीं, दिल और दिमाग में होती है पहचान.
Thank you.
Thank you.